Ever ponder on the nitty-gritty of your personal hygiene routine? Today, we're delving deep into the world of cleanliness, highlighting those often neglected areas and providing a step-by-step guide to ensure you're ticking all the right boxes. First stop on this hygiene train, the ears. Despite the popular practice, earbuds or Q-tips can be harmful. A safer alternative? A damp washcloth wrapped around your finger. This not only cleans the inner ear but also takes care of that often forgotten area behind the ears. Next up, the tongue. It's a hotbed for food particles and bacteria and can be the sneaky culprit behind bad breath. So grab that soft toothbrush or tongue scraper to keep your breath fresh and your smile bright. Now let's talk fingernails. Regardless of your preferred nail length, the skin underneath can be a haven for dirt and bacteria. A gentle nail brush works wonders in keeping this area clean. Moving on, we reach the belly button, a tiny area that can host a staggering 60 types of bacteria. A Q-tip dipped in soapy water, followed by a thorough wipe with a wet washcloth, will keep it squeaky clean. Hygiene in intimate areas like the vagina is crucial. While the inside is self-cleaning, the external area needs mild, unscented soap for proper cleansing, especially during menstruation. And remember, always wipe from front to back after using the toilet to prevent any unwanted bacterial migration. Our last stop is the feet. They accumulate dirt and grime throughout the day, so a thorough cleaning is a must. Paying extra attention to the skin between your toes and drying them thoroughly afterward will help curb any bacterial buildup and prevent infection. In summary, maintaining a comprehensive hygiene routine involves more than the basics. From cleaning your ears with a damp washcloth, brushing your tongue using a nail brush, cleaning your belly button with a Q-tip and soapy water, to maintaining hygiene in intimate areas and thoroughly washing your feet, every detail counts. So make these practices part of your routine, and you're on your way to a cleaner, healthier you. Until next time, stay clean and stay healthy.